Hi everyone, so we're going to do this problem. It is 16-1. It's about arrays, and this is a really important concept, especially later on when you go throughout the program. It's just mostly like storing and managing information. So let's read this problem. It says create an array with different pet types. There's bird, cat, dog, and initialize it to the variable pets. So if we look at how to set up arrays, you can always go here as well to W3 schools and just say JavaScript arrays. And right here, the first link, W3 schools, it shows you here how to set it up. This is basically the basic setup of it. So if you click try it yourself, you'll see right here, just look at this part. Let me just organize it here. So this is the most important part that I want you to know, is how to set up the array for right now. And as you can see here, it has const, or it could be a var as well, and cars. It has different values of cars. And basically you can grab all those values that are within the array. But for this question, we're just setting up the array. So if we just follow this format, it's exactly the same thing. So what we can do, it says create an array with different pet types. So make sure it's called pets. The variable is called pets. So var pets is equal to, so if we want to do an array, we have to do that square brackets. And then now we can type in bird, cat, dog. And because bird, cat, dog are all strings, they have to be in quotes. So make sure you put the quotes around it. Bird, cat, dog, and semicolon at the end. And says console log out the pets, so console.log pets, semicolon there. And let's do the console log right here, so node test.js. And as you can see right here, we actually get the array directly here in the console log. It's showing you that they're wrapped around quotes, so they are strings. And this is within an array. It shows those square brackets, the beginning and the ending. Now, of course, there's ways to grab the information as well. So if we want to talk about that, we could also do console.log pets. And then when we look at pets, right now, pets is going to grab everything. But what happens if we just want to grab one thing, like the first one? So let's see what happens. If nothing shows up here, we can actually do this as well. Another square bracket here and put the value of 0. And what 0 is signifying is that this is the initial position, which is bird. And we should get that initial position. Let's do node test. And you can see here, because we console logged out pets first, it shows everything. But afterwards, we're getting the first value or initial value within the array, which is bird. And that is what shows up, is just bird. And if we want cat, we can do console.log pets and then number 1, because in arrays, you have to know that this first initial position actually starts at 0. Then it goes 0, 1, 2. So the first, 1 here will now be associated with cat. And if we want dog now, we can just do 2 and save that, and let's console log that. And you can see here we have bird, cat, and dog. So that's how you go about grabbing the values if you need it. But for this problem, it just says we need to just do this initial, just logging out everything, console log out pets, and that's all we need to do for this question.